Helium 10 Serious Sellers Podcast. In this video, I want to introduce you to the Serious Sellers Podcast by Helium 10. I want to show you what this podcast is all about, how you benefit from it as an Amazon FBA seller, and also want to share my personal story and how podcasts were able to really impact my life in a great way, and also my Amazon FBA business. Now, my name is Vova. I'm an active seller on Amazon, been selling there since late 2016. On my channel, you find lots of videos about Amazon FBA. I want to help you become a better seller on Amazon. I share tips, tricks, I share tutorials about Amazon FBA, and I do my best to help you. So if you like the idea, if you're gonna like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell and liking the video as well. And now let's start with the video. So I want to start with my story, how I've gotten into podcasts, and I'll take you back 5 years ago when I started with internet entrepreneurship. And it wasn't really easy, and how it started. So essentially, between 2014 and 2015, I've traveled through the Southeast Asia. I've traveled there for 1 year. One day, I just took my backpack and another backpack. I ordered a plane ticket from Tel Aviv to New Delhi, and a year after that, I had a ticket from Bangkok to Tel Aviv. So essentially, I had a gap year of travels. I decided to travel alone because I wanted to go and explore the world, see what's there. I wanted to find my own freedom, to get some answers to some questions I had, and perhaps just have some fun, And this crazy journey took me to, I guess, it really did change my life, right? It also led me to this internet entrepreneurship, and I'll explain you how. In the end of the journey, somewhere in my last few months, I was traveling through India, and I met this guy whose name was Varun, and Varun was an Indian guy. Varun told me, like, dude, you have such a cool traveling stories and you've traveled so much. Why don't you share them with the world and through a travel blog, right? And I was like, what is a travel blog? Like, I wasn't really aware of all the stuff on the internet. Like, of course, I was aware of the internet, but not really deeply of how you can actually live from that, right? And have a big impact. So he told me, yeah, like you can create a travel blog, share your stories, and therefore, eventually earn from it. I didn't understand the how, obviously, like all the things, but it, was really interesting because I have many stories, I've traveled so much in my life, so I have lots of stuff to share, right? So I opened the travel blog, and after a while, I was trying lots of things online. The travel blog never really worked. Never made any money of this. I tried running an Instagram, I did some Periscope, I sold stock photos online, and in 2015, I made whooping $2 from the internet, guys, $2. So, and I was super excited because, the way the moment I got a payment from PayPal, or actually the moment that I've gotten the sale on 2020, which was the website that I kind of signed into, I was pretty excited to get it, because something actually moved, So I'll show you the picture here on the screen as well. That was the picture I sold. Nothing too special. This is our driver through a 9-day Jeep, so to say, travel we had through some valleys in northern India. So fast forward 2016, I've tried another few things. Nothing really worked until I bumped into Amazon FBA, which then started working. And this leads me to the story of the podcast. Now, how I started listening to podcasts while being an Amazon FBA seller. So I started from a course like most of us, but then I saw that I need more knowledge. Like only by course, you can't really get enough knowledge. And just know that, right? If you do a course, no matter how awesome it is, you'll still have to learn constantly if you want to succeed in everything, not just Amazon, just pretty much everything in life. You got to constantly learn, right? If you agree, then yeah, I guess you agree. If not, then consider thinking about this again. But I did the course, and then I was hungry for more knowledge. And back in the day, now getting to the podcast thing, there was the AM/PM podcast by Helium 10, and not sure by Helium 10 was like it was by Manny Coates. If you know, it was he's the founder of Helium 10, the CEO. And he had this podcast called AM/PM Podcast. Unfortunately, right now, they're not making any more videos, or they're not making any more podcasts because it turned into Serious Sellers Podcast. But back in the day, I was still working my, not 9 to 5, it was a 7 till 7 job. I was a lifeguard, right? And I want to show you some pictures here on the screen of how I used to listen to that. I was just working, doing my own stuff. My work wasn't that hard, because, I'm not sure if you've seen lifeguards or how they work, but, you just gotta watch people, right? You gotta watch and prevent them from drowning and all the good stuff. But as you've seen on the pictures, like now, I was just sitting there and kind of, while looking at the sea, I was listening. And while listening, I've learned a lot of things because podcasts, they they have so much inside them because people come to the podcast. Now I'm going to show you some stuff about the Serious Sellers podcast. But people come and share their knowledge. They get interviewed by somebody and they share lots of knowledge, and usually they kind of go through one topic, right? So let's look into my computer for a second, and I'm going to explain you how it works on the Serious Sellers podcast. But really, for me, it was a huge game changer because I could sit, listen for free and get a lot of good information, right? So check out the link in the description. You're going to get to this landing page of the Serious Sellers podcast. And here is your host, actually. This is Bradley Sutton. He's the host of this podcast. And there are 118 episodes already. That's a lot of information to consume. So, and it's quality information because the sellers that come here are usually very knowledgeable. They have very cool tricks to share, and usually people are happy to share their stuff because they're getting interviewed. They're all excited, and if the interviewer is doing a good job, which usually Bradley does, then people are pretty excited to share good stuff that you might not find in courses. You might not find this in free information. Well, it is free information here, but so what is it all about? How do you access it? As I mentioned in the description, you're going to find the link to the podcast. But how do you navigate here? So first you have all the episodes here going down, 118, and there's going to be the title of the specific podcast, and then there's going to be a little description of what it's all about. And if you want to get inside and listen to that, you're going to have to click on read more. But let me just show you what else is here. So you can scroll down, you're going to have all the other episodes, and you click next to find all the other pages, right? This way you can navigate and see what's there and find what's really appealing to you, because maybe right now you're interested in like reviews, or maybe you're interested in launching your products. So what you can do, for example, you wanna find rebates, right? So what you do is you find here, you type in rebate hacks, you see? Rebate hacks, just for an example. And look at this, you have a few episodes here, number 75, rebate hacks for an expert in Amazon keyword ranking, number 70, talking ad strategy with Helium 10's new PPC tool product manager. Well, I guess somewhere there inside they were speaking about rebate hacks because the keywords get indexed, right? And there obviously you get the appropriate episodes, right? And you can type in anything you want here. Now also you can subscribe to Serious Sellers podcast wherever you feel like it. It's available on iTunes, subscribe to Google Play Music and Spotify. Also some other places you can find Helium 10 itself. But then you can click on read more and you're gonna get to the page of the of the episode of the podcast, and here you listen to that. You click on play and you're gonna listen to this. Now there's a brief description, there's also the timestamps here, which is very comfortable, and then you have all the other things that Helium 10 has to offer to you. You can also leave a comment if you liked it or didn't like it, so feel free to do that. I really recommend you listening to podcasts. I recommend you checking out the Serious Sellers podcast because it's up to date. It's getting released, I think, twice a week. If I'm not mistaken, it is released twice a week. So you can listen. You can come here through the link in the description. It's also an affiliate link. There's nothing to sell here, but the link itself is an affiliate link. But essentially you get all this information for free. And really, for me, it was a game changer listening to podcasts because it's fun. You can do it while you're driving. You can do it while you're working as a lifeguard. If you're a lifeguard, I guess we have something in common, or used to be, because I quit my job like 2+ years ago to pursue my dreams of Amazon, which is pretty crazy. But definitely Serious Sellers podcast is a good one. In general, you can find different other podcasts to listen to. For example, there's the one by Jungle Scout, there's the one by Viral Launch, but as far as I know, they don't really update now. Like the Viral Launch had their last episodes like, I believe, last year, and Jungle Scout is something like this. Helium 10 does update them. I'm gonna link the other ones in the description for you as well, the Viral Launch and the Jungle Scout, if you want to check it out. But Serious Sellers podcast by Helium 10 is getting updated, and really, guys, listen, the people who come here, they are very knowledgeable. They're experts in their own fields. You're gonna find lots of different topics here, so I would really recommend you checking it out. Again, the link is gonna be in the description along with the other links that I've mentioned. I do thank you a lot for watching this video. Please like it if you did like it. Consider subscribing to my channel. Also, I'm going to share a playlist here of Helium 10 tutorials that you can watch. And there I go through the Helium 10 software itself. And you can learn from this playlist as well. It's here. You can click on it now. And thank you a lot for watching. Hopefully you will listen to podcasts and they will have an impact on you as well. Thank you. See you in my next video.